Okay, today's lesson is 103B, which is the Don't Call Me After Dark steps, and that's what we're going to be doing with today's assignment. I know we've been covering it all this week, and we're just going to continue with that. And I'm just going to write down the steps. Don't call me after dark. These are going to be the steps that we're going to use. So I'll just take that, and then I'm going to move it here to the side. And we're going to do our distribute step first. So we're going to distribute. Now, anytime you have parentheses, you will be doing this step. So when I distribute, that means that in front of the parentheses, I'm going to be multiplying to both terms. So I'm going to do 5 times negative 1, which will give me minus 5y. 5 times 3 gives me a plus 15. I got parentheses on the other side, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. Got negative 2 times 3, negative 6y. Negative 2 times negative 5, that is a positive 10. Remember, negative times a negative gives me a positive. Now everything else I'm going to bring down. Bring down my equal sign, bring down my 6. First step is done. Now, the next step is going to be combine my like terms. So to combine my like terms, I do each side of the equal sign separately. I look at this side and I got these two. Now on the right side, those are both different terms. So I'm not going to mess with the right side of that equation, just the left side. So I've underlined those two. I got 6 plus 15, which is 21. And I'm going to bring everything else down. I got my negative 5y. Now my equal sign, negative 6y plus 10. Now the next thing I'm going to do is my move the variable. Now moving the variable, that's the one with the letter. So that's going to be my negative 5y and my negative 6y. I know that there's different ways to teach this certain step. I always just move to the left because my last step will be to divide anyway, whatever I have left. So I always like to move my variables to the left, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I go my plus 6y plus 6y. And my purpose is to get rid of the variable on that one side, so my variables are all on the left. And then I have a negative 5 plus 6. Signs are different, so I will subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, which is the 6, and it's positive. So I get 1y. Remember, I don't have to put that 1. Everything else moves down. So again, my plus 21 equals 10. So I've already done, so this 3 steps are done. Now I'm going to go to my add, subtract the constant. So I'm going to add or subtract constant. Okay, so that's my 21. So I put my minus 21, because remember I have to do the opposite. Purpose is to get rid of that, so I isolate the y. 10 minus 21, again, I got different signs, so I have to subtract. Keep this sign as a bigger number. 21 is bigger. It's negative, so it's going to be a negative. So I subtract those two, and I get 11. Bring everything else down. Bring down my equal sign, bring down my y. So in this particular one, I don't have to do the last step divide. That will happen sometimes. I'm done. This is my answer. So you'll do the rest of this assignment. You're going to follow the Don't Call Me After Dark. And like I said, sometimes you don't have to do every step. Have a great day.